first baseman. Right-hand batter, and he takes the slider outside and low, and it's 1-0 as the Windsurge bat here in the ninth looking for their first win of the series, and they have really had disaster on the road thus far. Said he had an RBI singles last time up and swings and fouls one at the plate. Got a piece of Dylan Cruz in the count 1-1. He singled a run in his last at bat in the fifth. He doubled to left center to drive in a run in the fifth inning. Prior to that, he has struck out and popped a second, so he's 2 for 4 tonight. So Carcetti also had a triple and a run scored last night, having a good series against San Antonio. Outfield a bit toward the left, pitch to right-hand batter. Ground ball to third, taken by Hollis. Throws the first in time to Martorella. One down here in the ninth inning. If you're looking ahead to the bottom of the ninth, the Flying Chocolates will send up the middle third of their batting order. Left fielder Cole Cummings, catcher Michael De La Cruz, and the right fielder Robert Perez Jr. Now the right fielder Kalahi Rosario stepping in. 1 for 3 with a sac fly and an RBI. He scored a run. That was in the second after he got a leadoff single that started a 3-run rally for Wichita. Wind up, go deals. Swing and a foul ball backing down to play in the slider. Rosario getting a piece of it in the count to 1-1. Kalahi Rosario has had 3 hits in the series against the Flying Chocolates. The outfield straight away. The wind up again by Go, and he deals. Drive into right field. Perez going back on the run. Can he get it? No, it's over his head. And looks like the ball hit the track and bounced over. It's a ground rule double for Kalahi Rosario. So he has his second hit of the night, his 4th hit of the series. That's his 5th double of the year. So Wichita with a runner at second base. And with 1 out, they lead 9-2. That's hit number 11 on San Antonio pitching. And the DH Carson McCusker is the hitter.
Well, that's how many we had last night, 11. So they've matched us, and it's their time to be swinging that good bat tonight.
McCusker's had quite a series as well. Infield hit to third to the second. He had a base hit to left to the fourth. And also reached on an error by Ray Patrick Dinner in the 5th inning. 1 of 3 miscues the Flying Chocolates have had tonight. Go delivers and a strike in the outside corner, 0-1. McCusker had himself 2 hits last night, including an RBI single in the second. So he's had quite a series against San Antonio with 4 hits himself. Big right-hand batter, 6'8", 250, holding a set go. Leading away at second, Rosario, the delivery. Slice foul to the right side and out of play.
He's got a quick bat, and he fouled that one on. That's how he gets his power. He also made a nice play in the outfield last night.
0-2 the count. Tomorrow, Robbie Snelling will go for the Missions. No record. Marco Raya will go for the Windsurge. Both of them have had good ERAs of 2 or less. Snelling 1.98 and Raya at an even 2. Now the 2-strike pitch outside the low. Good block by the catcher De La Cruz to hold the run to Rosario at second. And now the count 1-2 on the Windsurge DH Carson McCusker. Now time called. The Missions bat boy giving the plate umpire Trevor Patience the new set of baseballs now. 9-2 Wichita. They're batting in the 9th inning with a runner at second and 1 man out. Off the stretch is Usuk Go. Off the line at first, Martorella, the 1-2 delivery. Low and off the mitt of De La Cruz. He had adjacent to his right. It's a ball 2-2 as Kalahi Rosario, who just had a ground rule double, remains at second base. Go stepping off the rubber, getting ready to step back on it right now. McCusker digging in. 2 balls, 2 strikes to count. Now the stretch. The pitch on the way. High fly ball hit to right center field and deep. Perez going back, way back, backpedaling to the wall. And he's at the warning track. He's got it. Tagging from second and going to third is Rosario. Oh, man, McCusker nearly hit that one out, and the wind pushed it in. And it continues to push in. The Missions hit a couple of fly balls last night that stayed in the park. And Perez spinning, but lined it up to make the grab. 2 down as Rosario's now on at third base.
This is not a home run ballpark.
Not by any means.
That wind has a lot to do with that.
Got that right now, the second baseman, Jarrell Ortega. is stepping in. 1 for 4. He had a big 2-run double in the second inning. And the pitch. And that's off the outside corner, 1-0. Trevor Patience, the umpire, said reset the clock, and that's the case right now as Go is at the belt. Runner at third, 2 down, infield back. And the delivery and the slider is low and outside for a ball. 2-0 the count.
They've got a man in the bullpen, Jared Solomon, just in case.
Wichita with 3 in the second, 4 in the fifth, and 2 in the sixth inning. And lead at 9-2. The pitch. Swing and a miss. Good fastball by Go. He kept it away for the right-hand batter. Two and one the count, although maybe the scoreboard had it 1-1 the first time out. That time might have been called. Go ready again, and the delivery. There's a ground ball knocked down by Go as it went toward the mound. Low throw with his gloved hand, but scooped out of the dirt by Martorella. 1-3 put out. Side retired. Go getting his glove on the ball. Luckily, he knocked it down and kept it a little bit to his left and still got the runner on take at first, even though the throw was not a good one. For the Winsters in the ninth, no runs, 1 hit. Nowhere is the runner left at third. Last chance for the Flying Chocolates. As we go to the home half of the ninth, they drill Wichita 9-2. Back after this on Country Legends KKYX.